A safe and healthy workplace is the number one goal at Mackellar, and they work tirelessly to meet and exceed best practice in safety and maintenance. That's why they've partnered with SafeGauge, working hand in hand to keep workers out of harm's way.
At Mackellar, we're continually looking to make our operations safer. Well-being and just caring for our employees is number one here at Mackellar. SafeGauge is a great way to enable us to get our people out of the line of fire and actually make the job more efficient as well. Elimination of live work is part of our everyday life on sites. If we can possibly remove someone from an area that is hazardous, we'll do it, and SafeGauge enables us to do that.
Using traditional methods, maintenance technicians put themselves in harm's way every day, working inside the machine's footprint. With SafeGauge, workers can now perform multiple routine checks safely outside the line of fire, up to 50 metres away. SafeGauge's SafeTest product range keeps technicians at a safe distance, minimising the risk of injuries or burns. SafeGauge has three main products: the dial indicator, a tool designed to measure wear and movement accurately, the pressure transducer, an essential device for fluid and gas pressure testing, and the tachometer, your go-to tool for measuring RPM and speed. Paired with the SafeGauge wireless multi-tool, technicians can simultaneously capture measurements from any SafeTest product safely and efficiently, significantly reducing overall machine downtime. Witness the difference between traditional methods and the SafeGauge approach. By embracing SafeGauge's solutions, you can eliminate live work, enhancing maintenance safety standards.
SafeGauge products have improved safety by allowing our technicians to set up the instrument, walk away from the vehicle, read the readings, and then be able to record those and then turn the machine off and go back in and undo it.
Implementation of SafeGauge tooling, our overall safety has improved. Just by removing those people from that line of fire and the elimination of live work, it's visible when you see the person not being in and around that danger area. The technicians on the ground are saying it just feels safer.
Yeah, I would totally recommend SafeGauge products. They actually remove people from harm's way and they're so easy to use.
Our productivity has increased. Once it's all set up, all those measurements are put into the tablet, and those measurements are then uploaded into our maintenance system. It's a 30% plus increase in productivity for these testing regimes. I look forward to an exciting future with SafeGauge and growing their product and improving our safety.
Mackellar's unwavering goal is to ensure every worker returns home safely. SafeGauge shares this commitment by keeping workers out of harm's way. Are you ready to put safety first? Visit safegauge.com.au today to learn more.